Hi guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing like a very basic H&M haul. Of recent I've purchased so many stuffs from H&M and I thought of doing and taking or picking up the very basic stuffs that should be like in everybody's wardrobe. So yeah, without much ado, let's get started. Coming off to the first dress is this that I'm wearing right now. It looks like a very basic black t-shirt, however it's not. It looks somewhat like this, like you can have it in the clip here, and this is what it looks. Its upper half, it looks like a basic t-shirt, but actually it's like a long tunic kind of top. And I'd also admit that the golden studs that it's attached in the dress, it's of such a good quality, and this is something that I wear it on my casual events, also on my formal events. So I have like a couple of formal stuffs also to show you guys. So yeah, the next item that I want to talk about is this blazer. Okay, so this is a single breasted blazer with a single button, and I love the material of this. The quality is so nice, and especially if you want to wear it like in your formal events, or for your universities, for your college, or also for your official events, then I think this would be like perfect. I do believe that one should own pair of blazers of basic colors like black or white or navy blue, and these would literally be like your saviors in times of urgencies. So you should definitely get this. Now since they come from H&M, it has to be like of a fabulous quality. I must admit that H&M has like one of the finest cloth qualities in terms of its softness, in terms of the quality that it offers. And yeah, this is like I think it's a polyester blend, so yeah, it's not 100% cotton, but it looks really very nice. So this is what the overall blazer looks like, and my size in this is 34. So basically this is exact fit to me. Usually I go for a 36 when it comes to blazers and stuff like that, because I like it to be little loose, but I ordered this for 34 and it fits so perfectly to me, and this is what it looks like overall. The length of the sleeves are also really fine. You do not get any buttons attached in the sleeves, and this is what it looks like. The only detailing in the blazer is this button that you get. You do not get any other button, so it's like a single breasted one. And the color of this is also so amazing. It's like a nice navy blue blazer. Now the next dress that I want to talk about is again a blazer. Now again, I feel like this should be like one basic white blazer in everybody's wardrobe, so you should definitely try this. I will also say that this particular one is of much greater quality, much better quality than the previous one that I shown you. So this is what it looks like, and my size in this is 36, I believe. Yeah, it's 36, and it fits so perfectly to me. Like you can check in the clip out there. And again, it has like a black button. The quality is again very awesome, and the fitting of these blazers are so great. You get like a curved stitch here, and it fits so perfectly in your curves, and this looks really good. Customized stitched blazers, but I will still admit that these quality blazers and these kind of stitch that H&M has to offer has to be of a very superb quality. The next that I want to talk about is this long dress. Now why do I call it like a basic dress? Because I feel like in evening parties, etc., you need to have something like a very basic long top. So this is what it looks like. It's an overall long dress, and it has this net. The net is again of a very good quality. The net is super soft, and once you wear it, it looks really good. Again, you can carry it out in your evening parties, for your official, for your formal events also, along with a pair of blazers, and it would look really amazing. Now you do not get any sleeves with this, so it's sleeveless. This is what it looks like, and my size in this dress is small, so it fits perfectly to me, and this is what it looks like. You also get like a lining inside the cloth. So the net is of superb quality. I also like to pair it with a white net shrug, and then this dress goes really well. So this is what it looks like overall. The next dress on the haul is this one. It's a nice baggy top. Okay, I love the material of this because it's so strong. I mean, you can wear it like every day and it's still not wear out, so it looks so pretty. Again from H&M in the size S. Now what I want to say about this is it looks really nice. It gives you like a nice retro look, so it looks really nice. But the fact that these tops are really baggy, so whatever you wear, like even if you wear like an S size, go for an XS, because this for me is too loose. Okay, it's too loose, so I wish I would have ordered like an XS. So I'm going to change this and get an XS of this, because in spite of being S, it's still this baggy for me. Can you see the length of this? And you can check me wearing this, but it looks really nice. It looks so good for your casual outings and also for your official looks also. This would look really nice, and it's so comfortable. And on top of that, I love the quality of the cloth. It's super strong. Now next dress is this one. It's such a pretty golden nude kind of long dress. It's like a nice bodycon dress. It has full sleeves with elastic on its end, so it fits here perfectly, and my size in this is small, so I would really ask you to order one size more than what you wear. So usually I go for small, so I should have gone for medium in the dress, because it's like a bodycon dress, and bodycon dresses fit you like dream. But when you're wearing colors like this, like colors like nude, you should definitely not wear such fitted dress, because then it exposes your figure a lot, so you need to be careful of that. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, the dress comes with a lining, and this is what the lining looks like. Again, the quality is superb. It's like a very soft net, and the dress is super comfortable. It's breathable. In spite of being so bodycon and so fit, you will not have complaint regarding the comfortability of the dress. So definitely a thumbs up. Now in case the same dress is not available in H&M, I'll try to link a similar dress, and all the product details will be down in the description box below, so you can check it out. Now the next dress is this one. It's again similar to the first one that I shown you, except that it comes with a full sleeves, but this has been like my savior for such a long time, and it has almost worn out. I've worn it so many times. So it's this dress, and it's a long, again, shirt, long shirt kind of dress. I don't know what you exactly call it. It comes from H&M divided collection. So yeah, it's in the size 36, which I think is fine. The only con that I don't like in the dress is that it has a little deeper neck, so make sure that if you're only comfortable in wearing deep necks or long necks where you are okay with your cleavage, then fine. Otherwise you can definitely wear cami top inside, and you can wear it. It looks really pretty, because then you can style it with a lot of things. It's like a nice basic black dress, so you can again style it with different colors, stoles, scarves, or you could wear it in your any kind of makeup look, and it looks really nice. Again, this dress fits like a dream. It has this string attached to it, so in case you find it loose, I don't think it would be loose, because it is a little stretchy. It has this elastic at its bottom, so it fits really well. Now the last two items would be a footwear. Now I really wanted to include this, but I've worn it so many times and it's really dirty, so I'm not really going to show you properly. These pair of canvas shoes, which are by the way so dirty because I've worn it like so many times, but I absolutely love how basic they are, and it just goes like anywhere and everywhere. So I love wearing these. You should definitely own this, and why I really wanted to show this is because of the quality and the kind of look it gives. Okay, so it looks like a very basic, but once you wear it, it gives you a very classy and yet very great look. Now it's really dirty, so do not judge me for that, and this is what it looks like. Again, my size in these shoes are 30. Now again, a very basic pair of red bellies from H&M. My size in the shoes and the bellies is 36. A very basic pair of bellies. Now same is available in so many local brands as well as in so many local stores as well. But again, the kind of comfortability that it gives you, the kind of look that it gives you is really good. They are of such superb quality. A little velvet on the texture, and a little like 50% velvet and 50% cotton, and it really looks very good. So this is it. So yeah, that's about it. Those were like a basic things that I really wanted to share in the H&M haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video, and all the product details and links will be provided down in the description box below. In case the same product is not available, I try to link a very similar one from the same brand, so you can definitely check that out, because a lot of times things goes out of stock, right? So I will definitely try to link it. And some of the products I've purchased a little while ago and I wanted to include in the haul, so it might not really be available. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, then please do not forget to share with those who you think it would be useful for, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys very soon in my upcoming videos. Until then, bye bye.